Hello my friends, today we are going to the vast chicken farms in the United States to see how they produce billions of tons of chicken and billions of eggs each year. Here's what's going on at an incubator on a chicken farm in Pennsylvania. Thousands of eggs will be brought here and incubated for about 19 days. Each incubator on this farm can hold about 70,000 eggs in each incubation. Currently, the United States has about 230,000 chicken farms, and they are distributed mainly in states such as Iowa, Indiana, Pennsylvania, and Ohio. After 10 days, the eggs are moved through a scanner. The scanner is responsible for detecting and removing eggs that cannot be hatched. Next, the eggs will be moved to another machine. This machine is responsible for injecting an organic vaccine inside the eggs, which is not an antibiotic at all. Once the testing and vaccinations are completed, the eggs will be sent to the incubator again, and in a few days, adorable chicks will be born. Right after hatching, the chicks were able to eat and drink immediately because the feed and water were put in the tray a few days earlier. About 518 million chickens are born in the United States each year. After a day in the incubator, thousands of chickens will be brought out and begin a new journey. Weak or crippled chickens will be discarded, and they will be sent to another production process. For a lot of people, that is cruel, but it is a fact, and that happens every day on large-scale chicken farms. The healthy chicks will then be moved to official farms. At this farm, workers will use wood mulch to cover the ground. This is a very good material in poultry farming. It has the effect of absorbing water in chicken manure and limiting odors. Our main characters have appeared. With a large space, the chicks can freely move and play. The main ingredients used to make chicken feed are healthy beans, corn, some industrial bran, and other fiber. Every year, chicken farms in the United States consume about 48 million tons of soybeans, equivalent to 40% of the country's soybean production. After 2 months, all the chickens here weigh about 4 pounds and are ready for egg harvesting. At this time, they will be living in a place higher than the ground. This makes it easier to collect manure and keep the floor of the chicken coop dry at all times. Newly laid eggs will be moved to the trays through an automatic conveyor system. Here the eggs will be carefully arranged and ready to be transported to restaurants and supermarkets. In 2021, the average American consumed about 286 eggs, and this number is forecast to increase to 291 in 2022. In addition to raising chickens to lay eggs, large farms also raise millions of chickens to serve the demand for meat. When these chickens reach 6 pounds in weight, the harvest will begin. This machine is used to put the chickens in plastic trays, which are then transported to the chicken processing plant. This is what happens at a chicken processing plant. These images may make some people feel uncomfortable. In this factory, the chickens will be hung upside down and dipped in boiling water before coming to the process of cleaning off their body feathers. Chicken legs and chicken necks are also cut by fully automatic machines. Their organs are also completely removed before the chicken is released into the tank to be cleaned and disinfected. Chicken wings, thighs, and chicken breasts are also separated and packaged before being shipped to supermarkets. In large-scale chicken farms, the life cycle of a chicken usually lasts only 3 to 4 months before it is sent to the processing plant. How do you feel about the process of raising and harvesting chickens in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.